What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome to the quickest guide on probably the easiest to get Minecraft cape in history. All you need to do for this brand new common cape, which looks something like this, you'll find this article linked down below, is just launch the game. That's it. All you have to do is launch Minecraft Bedrock at least once, equip this cape, and once you have, it'll be available in Java as well, which is great. Super simple. All you need to do is, in your Minecraft launcher, head across to Bedrock on the far left, latest release, play, wait for it to start up, and assuming you've signed in with your Microsoft account, just wait for it to load, and then shortly after, you'll receive a notification at the very top of your screen saying, hey, you've got a new cape. Check your notifications down here if you wish, and you'll see the same notification here. All you need to do to actually get this thing on and working in Java is head to the dressing room in the bottom right, then on the far left, click the cape icon, and you'll find your brand new common cape over here alongside whatever other capes you have. The rest of them seem to be legendary rarity, but this one over here is just common. Once you've equipped it, so clicking it, equip, all you need to do is just close out of this game completely. After a few seconds, some people say load into a single player world just to make sure it knows that you actually have the cape equipped, quit out of this, and restart your Minecraft launcher. That's what I had to do to get this to work. Then head across to Java Edition on the far left, followed by skins at the very top. Once you've done this, simply find your skin in the list. If it's not there, hover over your avatar on the far left and choose Add to Library. Then from here, find it, hover over it, click the three dots, and edit. Finally, inside of here, you'll find the common cape, as well as whatever other capes you have active in Minecraft Bedrock. It seems like these capes are sort of activated by launching into Bedrock and equipping them once, or just playing Bedrock to make sure that you actually own these capes on your account. Simply just restarting the game is all that was required for this to work properly, and would you look at that, there it is. It's that simple. And before you go, if you're looking for a fantastic Minecraft server host, check out this video's sponsor, Apex Hosting. They provide fantastic Minecraft hosting services with super low latency, great customer support, powerful DDoS protection, automated backups, and so much more. Simply head across to Apex Hosting using the link in the description down below. Check out the coupon code in the top right. Currently it's APEX25 for 25% off your first invoice. Click Get Started, select your Minecraft Java Bedrock Edition or any other game for that matter, choose your server capacity, order now, and just like that, you'll have a really powerful Minecraft server set up for you and your friends. So, a huge thank you to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this guide. Hopefully you found it useful. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.